Maya, stay with me. Can you hear my voice? A normal day fractures into a race against time.
I can't breathe.
Anaphylaxis is tightening its grip. Severe allergic reaction. We need adrenaline. One drug stands between life and collapse.
This will help you breathe.
A tiny dose with enormous power. Adrenaline enters the bloodstream, fast. Adrenaline, epinephrine, takes command. The lungs are closing, fast. Beta-2 receptors respond. Bronchodilation begins.
I can breathe.
Oxygen flows again.
Shock threatens circulation. Alpha-1 receptors restore vascular tone. That's it. You're doing great. Blood pressure stabilizes. The heart needs support. Beta-1 receptors boost cardiac power. Heart rate's improving. Circulation is restored. Side effects: tremors, anxiety, normal and temporary. That's the medicine working. You're safe. Knowledge turns fear into comfort. One injection buys precious hours. In anaphylaxis, adrenaline saves lives. Never wait. Awareness is as vital as medicine. A small injection, a second chance at life.
If you enjoyed this story, tap the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.